in today's video. Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today's video, we have just arrived in Cappadocia. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys the hotel. I'm going to be showing you guys around the Lunar Cappadocia Hotel. So while my husband is checking in, we're just here waiting in the lobby, and it just feels amazing to be here. I've been dreaming about this destination for a long time. If you're on Instagram, the balloons, just the whole Turkey, it's just all over Instagram, and it's just amazing to be here, and it's so beautiful, and it's at night. I can't wait to see what it looks like in the morning. When you come in, it's a living room. It's very spacious. It's very dark in here, in the shower area. ¿Se consiguió? And we are off to dinner because if you guys watched the last video, we were all day on the road trip to arrive here in Cappadocia. So now we're hungry, we're tired. We're wasting no time. We're going straight to dinner, and our hotel is such a nice area. We are literally like downtown, so we're just walking to the restaurant, and we stopped to buy some things. I didn't record, but we got a lot of goodies, and now we're going to get some dinner. Oh my gosh. Some cheese. Sangria. Yeah, right.
He's already drunk with the
Devagar.
Yeah.
Not you know?
No, other. Yeah. Little strong? No, little. course.
Ok, devagar, devagar. Vai, em cima.
Não, não.
Aqui, ó.
Oh, oh, yes. Oh, drop.
Nossa, português. Mas não é brasileiro cantando, não.
Esta está bien, amor. Esta me está como la tuya. Esta está...
Slow, amor, she said. É em cima, Kevin, em cima.
Oh, up here? Okay, okay.
Oh, you did it so quick. I took forever because I didn't know how to do it. I was weak. Good job, Kevin. Showing those muscles. Dinner was amazing, and after dinner we stopped at their hotel, which was on our way, and we were gonna originally get the same hotel as them, but we were booking together at the same time. I guess they were ahead of us, and then there were no rooms left for the night that we were gonna be here in Cappadocia. So I like our hotels better because it was bigger, but their room was nice because they had the Turkish bath, so that was really nice. Santi! This is our family's room. So cute. Keep going, she's saying. She said, keep coming, she means.
Keep going, keep going. Freedom. Keep going.
As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe because there are so many more videos coming your way, you have no idea. And this is just the first night in Cappadocia that we just arrived, and was just a hotel room tour and the first restaurant. Tomorrow there's so many activities, I can't wait to show you guys, so make sure you subscribe. I'll be uploading that real soon, and then the hot air balloon. There's so much stuff, so just make sure you guys like, subscribe, and keep up with all the videos.